instead of do's, there are something don'ts which we should follow. Like one of that already said by sir, be away from those kind of social media which give you direct gratification. Like Instagram is one of them. Uh, during my journey, I had a journey of around 1.5 years of preparation. I never posted. I didn't use Instagram. In fact, my Instagram account, so the last post was of convocation from my college. And after that post, the post was of that of selection of my UPSC. And there was nothing, no post between that. And I had that kind of thing, ki the next post should be only of selection. And God made that possible as well. And secondly, I will say, try to have a kind of backups. Backups in terms of when you are feeling quite motivated. Don't make this your aim that I have tilled my target of 8 hours, now I can just enjoy. You don't know when you are going to fall ill or something like that. Let me tell my story. So after my prelims, I think I was doing well. I had completed my syllabus. I was revising. But then on 5th of August, just around 1 month before the mains exam, I felt ill. I thought it was just a normal fever. But it didn't get well soon. Till 11th August, by 11th August, I was in that state that I cannot stand on my own. Then I got admitted in a hospital, got admitted for 10 days. Hospitalized during those days is not only torturing for my physical health, it was draining for me mentally. Because all the days I was just crying कि आज ही बीमार होना था क्या. For the last 1 year I had been preparing with so much of hard work, and I felt till it that such a critical juncture of time which should have been avoided. So this is my learning that make some backups when you have the energy, prepare more and more so that even if something wrong happens in the future time, you have the leverage and the potential to do even well. And thirdly, I will say, please be in good company of good people. We cannot change the world. We can try to change the people with negative vibes, but if they are not changing, then we have not taken the task of changing them. What we can change is our contact. Please be with those people with whom you feel good, with those people with whom after interaction you get some kind of positive vibes, because there's no point of draining your energy in meeting, contacting those people with whom you are just getting drained out. There's nothing point of it. And yes, finally, there's one do that there's a basic path of covering the syllabus. Do that, and I think you guys can clear the exam. Thank you.